today we've got a BMW M140i in for a set of Eibach lowering springs, BMW spacers and a full Maxton kit. The lowering springs are going to lower it by 25mm on the front and 15mm on the rear once it's all settled in. And a full Maxton kit, so it's pretty much everything Maxton do for this car. A front splitter, side skirts, a rear diffuser, rear bumper, lips, canards, whatever you'd like to call them, and a lip on the spoiler, so stay tuned. So Eibach springs are on, BMW spacers are also on, gone for 15mm at the rear and 12mm at the front. So now I'm going to move on to the Maxton kit. Starting at the back, we'll have the rear canards, side skirts and splitter. This kit did come with a diffuser, but follow me under here. This is where it would go, and usually there's a little sort of return coming off the bumper, which you would screw into. This just doesn't have it, so there's no real sort of material to drill into in the middle here, so unfortunately we won't be able to do that. Other than that, it's all good to go. the M140 all done. Eibach lowering springs, BMX spacers and a full Maxton kit. You remember me saying earlier we might not be able to get the rear diffuser to fit. We did find a way to get it to fit. I'm sure the cinematics will show as well, we'll show it off quite nicely. There just wasn't a lot of material under here to mount it, it's quite flimsy, so made up some brackets to get it to fit. And now it really, because it looked a bit odd when it wasn't there, even in the workshop, but now it really finishes the car off nicely. So M140 stance transformation, whole look transformation. Like, subscribe.